What's up everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we'll make a streetwear t-shirt design and it's all about sleeping warrior. One more thing, why you guys are not subscribing? 0% of you guys are subscribed. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos like this. Do not forget to join our group and the group link is in the description. All the files used for making this video are in the group drive link. So just join our group and let's start the design. Let's take our first image and then we're gonna remove the background. So you can place your image here, then take the quick selection tool, select subject and just wait for the magic and just do a clipping mask. The clipping mask is done. Now we will remove this bottom part. So you can take your laser tool by just pressing L on your keyboard, then select the area you want to remove. Then again press L, select all the unwanted place, then just remove them. Zoom in, press L, and just remove. Just like this you can remove the bottom. And now okay, just press B, then press X for white color and bring back this part. You can just mark this area and then bring it back and just remove that glow. So we have our baby statue. Then I'll make it smaller like this and I will place my earth just around here like this. Ctrl T, make it smaller like that. Okay. Now if we want to make a shadow here, there is many ways, but the easiest way is just take this earth and go to brightness and contrast, just make the contrast up, brightness down and then click on the white part. Now Ctrl I. Now you can take your brush and just with white color on this mark, just we will bring back the colors we need as our shadow. Just like that you can create your shadow here. Okay, I have another file, I guess this one. I will place AK-47 here somewhere around, just around here. Now I will make a mask, then L for lasso, then I will select the area I want to remove and then I will just paint with black color, just like that. So now this is looking like the baby is holding the AK. Same process, just we will go to brightness and contrast, brightness down, contrast up, make a clipping mask here and then press Ctrl I. Now we can place our shadow on the gun also. Now this is looking much more realistic. Same process we have to do on the baby. So I will just go to brightness and contrast, make a clipping mask, and then brightness down, contrast up. Then I will place just one mistake. Okay. We don't need to be here. Okay. Just press Ctrl I. Now we can make our shadow like that. We have to make a shadow of our gun also on the art. I'll make a clipping mask and then I'll just paint the AK-47's mark around here. Okay, now this is looking much more detailed and clear. I will just change the color of my statue. Just click here and then black and white. Right click, clipping mask. If you want, you can change the colors. Just play with the value here. I will keep it like this and make a clipping mask. Okay. So this process is done. Then we can use our text or anything as we like. So just let me make it a little bit smaller. Ctrl T. I have attached a PSD file. So just come to the PSD file, double click here, and you can place any type of design you want here and make it chrome effect. So I will just bring it here. I will remove this one file and I will make it bigger like this. Now Ctrl S and the file is ready here. Just you can take this file and drag and drop to our main design PSD file. I will bring it back here. Now Ctrl T. I will make it larger like this. If you want, you can change the colors and everything in this file. I have made extra layers like here. You can see inner glow and inner shadow. Just play with these colors and you will be having the perfect design as you want. I will just change this red color to this greenish color. Now this is looking more beautiful. If you want, you can just use glue and just change it to green. Okay. Now I will just select all this file, Ctrl T, make it bigger and place it somewhere around just here. Now if you want, you can add extra elements, or if you don't want, just ignore it. I will just add my custom watermark logo here. I will bring it to the top and make it smaller, and I will just put it here. If you want, you can use elements right around there. So like elements I am talking about, just take a extra layer and change the color into anything you want. I will take light blue color and then you can use custom brush. I will just use lightning custom brush, or you can use smoke or anything you want. For custom lighting brush, you can join our group and invite 100 member and I will send the custom brushes. So you can make anything as you want. I'll make it smaller. To rotate this file, I will just rotate here and I will put the lightning here. Then I will change the brush and I will just right click and rotate the angle and make it a little smaller like this. I will change the brush again. Just keep changing until you find the best angle. Just keep changing the brush. Now I will change the brush here. Again I will just rotate it. Okay, perfect, and make it little smaller like this. Change it to another one. I will just place it here. I will change another one and I just rotate this one. Make it just little smaller, little bit bigger. Now this is looking perfect. Just place it here. Okay. Now just this lightning area I will bring to the back of my text, and I can change the color by just adding one hue and saturation layer. Just light click clipping mask and I can change the color now as I want. I will just change it to like little greenish color. This one looking good. Now on the top of the layer I will just remove this background part. Control Alt Shift plus E. Now bring back the background layer and take all the layer, Control Z group, and just turn off the color. Now all is on this file. We can do anything, like I will go to camera raw filter, and I will just add grain. Then I will go to basic, add some highlight, and then texture. Just remove little bit of clarity, and I will add saturation. Now, okay. Now this is looking more cleaner and brighter. If you want, you can add noise also. Like just go to noise, add noise, and add little bit of noise. By the way, one more thing, you can just add one hue and saturation layer like here, then make a clipping mask, and you can play with the colors, and whichever color you like you can just finalize that color. Like I am liking this color, I will make this as my final color. Okay, now we'll make our mockup. I will just place my design and just like this our design is almost done.